I love this look. I love the way that I look with bangs too, by the way. So we have in the hair. Now you guys know that this is their body wave unit. It can be worn glueless, or you can use the tapes that they provide for you. They have the drawstring in the bag, which I think is so nice. I really like the drawstring. So let's check out the lace, which is my favorite part. Looks so good. We have the barrel curls for you right here. So we're going to go ahead and style this unit. Okay y'all, so this is how the hair looks. How cute. I decided to do a few bangs and I love the way that this looks. I think it's very cutesy. You can also put this hair up in a ponytail. So let's just try that really quick. Let's see. How cute would this look? Pull down a few little curls and just do something like this. Let me see, where is a clamp? If you wanted to do like a little messy bun. Yeah, I like that. I think I like it down better. But you can wear this unit all different type of ways. I love the density on the unit. The hair is nice and soft. I love the length. Look at the length. Really pretty. This is how it looks in the back. Cute. I love this look. I love the way that I look with bangs too, by the way. So if you guys are interested in this unit, I'll have all the information along with the discount code in the description box below. Nadula.